What's good, guys? It's me again, back here with another video. I'm going to try one through this one quickly. You guys have probably seen the Balenciaga speed runners or speed racers, the sock running shoe, right? What I have here is the Balenicaga slow racer, as I like to call them. As you can tell by the title, by the box, or when we get into it, these are Zara released these a while back. But they've kept selling out since, so I finally managed to get my hands on both my hands on a pair. So let's just get straight into it, man. I've literally just come from the Zara store now, so I ordered them to the store. Went to pick them up, so these are my first impressions, as well as just an unboxing. So yep, their boxes are made with boxes of the past. So nice bit of cardboard ancestry knowledge. Anyway, so this is pretty much how they come. I'm trying to see where. See, I'm forever gonna take L's when it comes to tripods. I think I can't see where my receipt is. So I'm gonna try to take out. Okay, I can't really see a receipt, so let's go. Let's see. So here we go, Zara. You got a nice dust bag, which I was not expecting. Put it on one side. They've emailed me a receipt, but I just assumed that they would have sent me a paper copy, but obviously not. So that's the Zara box there. I was expecting these to come like in a box of their own, but obviously not. So let's just get straight into it. It's a dust bag here, and there you go. That's the shoe right there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed. They actually look good in person. Yeah, these look solid in person. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I just got these just to beat them up, just to show you guys as well. I was just intrigued. So guys, if you want to save yourselves, what is it, £600? Because I believe they're £650, and these were £50 straight. It was £49.99, isn't it? So. But yeah, not too bad. It's like a mix between like a Rick Owens sneaker, because you've got the hump there, and then you've got the sock design of the Balenciaga runner. The sole looks kind of weird. I mean, do you know what? They have not done a bad job. And I've always said Zara are the first and fastest at turning over fashion. As soon as something gets released online, images or it gets released by high designer brands, Zara are the first ones to copy and manufacture it straight away, so that it pretty much hits retailers at Zara at the same time that the actual brand's designs get released at their own retailers. So what I mean by that is Balenciaga will release a speed runner, release images, for a runway show, and next thing you know, Balenciaga will release them in store, and the same week Zara will release their version. So yeah, guys, I've probably been talking too much. You guys aren't really too interested. If there's anything else you want to see, just let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one, man. Peace.